Welcome back to Medichealth. Today I am going to discuss with you Li52 GNX tablets, the user side effects, interactions and contraindications, and medicinal uses, benefits and direction to use and how to use. I am going to tell you in this video, friends. Let's start with the uses of these medications. What is Li52 GNX? The name itself mentioned the leaf. Leaf means it belongs to the liver and gallbladder product, which is mainly utilizing for the healthy liver and gallbladder, friends. Now I am going to tell you it contains different types of herbal ingredient. This is particularly the herbal product. There is more nutritional value and it also helps to protect the liver as well as the gallbladder, friends. So in this option there is more type of herbal ingredients are there. That ingredients mainly works on protecting the liver and gallbladder. What are all the ingredients means Eclipta Alba and Coleus aromaticus and Phyllanthus metrapentis and Andrographis paniculata and then Cichorium intybus chicory. This type of this chicory helps to protect the liver and also the liver cells, maintain the liver function and support the health of gallbladder. Mainly the things is liver is the main function of 500 functions are doing, friends. So if liver is very good, having good metabolism means there is will be no need to worry about the disease. Our immune also get increased, friends. This Andrographis paniculata, the king of better, it is the main role of hepatoprotective and help to maintain the liver functions and favors the elimination of toxins. Mostly the liver the one organ which occupying the all toxins in our body, friends. It is automatically absorbing, that is a vital organ given by the nature for the human beings which toxins are absorbing on the liver, friends. Then Eclipta Alba, it supports the liver and biliary functions and then this is the main major role also, and this is the most help. This is the package, friends, which I am showing, this Li52 GNX, and this is the main protection to your liver, and it comes with the 60 tablets. Is oblong shaped tablets. It comes with the amber color bottle and the labeling and the box and package, and then also available the patient information leaflet in their country language, friends. So most of them, my suggestion, and I am also using usually 6 months once this Li52 GNX. This is the most powerful antioxidant as well as it will protecting the liver and removing the toxicity. That means it makes the detox on our body, friends. So majorly it is more helpful in our body to protect the liver, get removing the toxins from us, friends. So detoxification is a major thing in normal human being, because in our day-to-day life, daily life, we are apart from the natural source, because we are using the pesticides vegetables as well as we are using the pesticides foods and frozen foods, that and all having some toxins, that toxins and all accumulated by our liver. So that toxins can be eliminated by using this type of medicines. Is herbal, 100% natural, no need to worry about that. Daily you have to take this one tablet twice daily, you have to take, friends. This one is a OTC medication only, no need to worry about that. More benefits than the normal Li52. This Li52 GNX is more benefit and double the strength also. It is good for us, friends. This is the daily usage, twice a daily, one tablet you have to take. This is the maximum usage and side effects and interactions I have discussed with you, friends. I will come back with new video. Till that, keep supporting us our channel. Thank you.